I'll share my screen. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Why do we have to share this? Because sometimes network is not stable. So we have to ask you these things again and again. Let it be. This is the last bit of our 7th unit, that is group codes. And once we finish this bit, I will give you some questions or theorems to prove that we will do for as our next class test or assignment type. Okay. These are the group codes. We had started it in the last lecture itself, but network was not stable there in college, and that's why we had to stop at that uh, point. So it is group codes. In coding theory, group codes are a type of code. uh, Group codes consist of n linear block codes, which are subgroups of G raised to n, where G is a finite abelian group. Okay, G is the finite abelian group, and for which we have means group codes are designed. Okay, we'll see first by our side, and at that day I told you to see this video for group codes. uh, any one of you have gone through this video? Why am I asking is, it is very interested. Group codes are very efficiently uh, presented there in that video. And I felt that it is really good, so I gave you this link. Please go through it if you have not gone through this. It will be very useful for you. Okay, and same process we are going to see in next slides also. But then also, if you see this, it is in Hindi language, and it is given in good manner. Only 10 minutes video is it is. So you can refer this video also for group course. And here we also will see uh, what are the group codes are. Okay, first we'll consider the definition here. Okay, what is there in this? What we are going to consider here is Z. Okay, Z is the group, a finite abelian group. Okay, and this 2 Z2, we can see 2 is there as a subscript of Z. It is what? It is denoting the binary, means the group is binary. Okay, binary means again it is having two elements. Okay, that 2 stands there for a binary. Okay, what that set contains now is Z is set 0 and 1. Okay, it is 0 and 1. So what we can say now is Z raised to n. Okay, now here you can see Z is 0 and 1. Then Z raised to n, what we can say it is x1, x2, up to xn. Okay, Z raised to n, what it is? X1, x2, dot, 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 xn, such that xi belongs to Z. Okay, xi belongs to this Z, Z2. Okay, this 2 stands for again binary. I'm repeating because this x1, x2, xn, such that xi belongs to Z for I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, I here stands for 1, 2, dot, 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 n. Getting? Here It is a group under the binary operation modulo 2. We have z at 0 and 1. Therefore, z raised to n, it is x1, x2, xn is a group. It is a group. Z raised to n is also a group. The binary operation modulo 2. Okay. It is the binary of means group. We know group is having some operation. Okay. Here we have seen such operations. What is group? Okay, it is an algebraic system. It's said to be group if following conditions are satisfied. Here G star, star is this operation. This is the group, yes or no? It is a G under the operation, specific operation. In many of the examples we have seen multiplication operation, addition operation, okay? Like that. Group is the here G under the star operation. Same like here we can see here Z is the group under the operation modulo 2. It is a binary operation modulo 2. Okay, denoted as plus 2. Okay, this modulo 2 is denoted as here plus. Binary addition is there. Modulo 2 is here plus binary. We will say it like it is a binary addition. Okay, do you know how binary addition is done? In digital techniques in first year, you may have seen. Do you know binary addition? Yes. Aditya, B45.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know binary addition? In first year, have you gone through this or not?
Yes, ma'am. Gone.
Yes, yes. Then this modular operation here defined is here binary addition. Okay. Now you got up to this. It is z raised to n is x1, x2, xn is a group under the binary operation modulo 2 denoted by this plus 2. That is binary addition. This group z raised to n and addition is called a group code. Okay, what it is called as it is a group code. In parenthesis, when we write like this z raised to n and plus 2, it is a group code. Now let us consider z raised to 2 plus as a group and is given in the following table. Okay, z raised to 2. What we have to consider is z raised to 2 means z will have two combinations of numbers. Okay, here we know z is small z is here 0 and 1. So this capital Z square will have combination of its two elements in sequence of 2. Okay, here it will consider sequence of 2. So what it will be? Sequence of 2, it is here it is 2 is given Z square. So here we have taken the sequence of 2 in a combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Same here, because what we have to consider is binary addition between two of its elements. Okay, so as here the elements are same, like elements will be here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and we will create the composition table for this. Okay, what the composition table will be? We have to perform binary addition operation here. Which operation? Binary operation. In one of the example we have created composition table. Here multiplication operation was there, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, like this. Same here. What operation is? Which operation is here? Here binary addition operation is there. So 0 0 plus 0 0, it is here 0 0. Okay, 0 0 plus 0 1 0 1, 0 0 plus 1 0 1 0, and 0 0 plus 1 1, it is 1 1. Now here 0 1 plus 0 0, it is 0 1. 0 1 plus 0 1, it is 0 0. Why it is? Because 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 0 in binary addition. So when 0 1 plus 0 1 comes, it is answer is 0 0. Okay, all of you know the binary addition. So I'm just describing the table. 0 1 plus 1 0, it is 1 1, and 0 1 plus 1 1 is 1 0. Same here, 1 0 plus 0 0 is 1 0, 1 0 plus 0 1 is 1 1, 1 0 plus 1 0 is 0 0, and 1 0 plus 1 1 is 0 1. And in the last row, 1 1 plus 0 0 is 1 1, 1 1 plus 0 1 is 1 0, 1 1 plus 1 0 is 0 1, and 1 1 plus 1 1 is 0 0. Okay, this is the composition table if we consider modulo 2 operation, that is binary addition. Okay, it is the binary addition. Why we have taken this sequence of 2 of 0 1? Because here we are considering z square. Let us consider z square binary addition as a group and is given in the following table. It is solved here. Z square is, so sequence of 2 is taken here. 0 0 0 1 1 0, like this. Suppose z cube, okay, z cube was given, then here it will be 0 0 0 0 0 1, like this. Okay, all the numbers in this direction, means 3 numbers would be there. And how many rows and columns would be there in that case? Yes, if in place of z square, z cube was there, what was the condition? Can anybody tell? Nobody? Z square is having sequence of 2 and 4 rows and 4 columns. If z cube would be here for binary operation, how many rows and how many columns will be there?
8 rows and 8 columns.
Yes. It is nothing but the motto of discrete mathematical structure. You have to think about these things. When binary comes, these numbers must be in your head. When binary word is uttered by anyone, then this should be in your head. That is, binary means 0 and 1. It is a language containing 0 and 1s. Then the powers of 2 are there in considering all the aspects. Wherever you go using binary language, these numbers are there only: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 2 raised to 2, 3, 4, 5, powers of 2. We have to be, means we have to keep those in mind all the time when we deal with binary operations. Okay. It was a diversion in topic, but it's very important when you learn basics of computer science. Okay. Why actually, I think I have described you why our branch name is computer science and engineering. It's not only computer engineering. Computer engineering contains many means advancements, but as computer science, the core branch is this one. Okay. Very basics means what is there in a computer, hardware, software, whatever it will be, that you are going to learn in CSE branch. Okay, that's why its name is computer science. All the science behind a computer. So the name is, and one of the subject, very important subject is this one for us. Okay, we'll again go to our subject now. It is necessary to note that 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is the identity. Okay, again, when we consider the group, we have to keep in mind is properties of group. In that identity, inverse are important properties again. Okay, can anybody tell me properties of group? Yes, we will revise the things. Closure is the first one, is it? Properties of group. Closure properties. First property, then second property is what? Associativity. Third one is identity, and then inverse. Okay, and fifth one is
Commutativity.
yes,
Abelian.
yes. So here what is 0 is the identity element in this group. Okay, and every element is its own inverse. So inverse property is also satisfied, identity is also satisfied. Hence z square, z raised to n plus, that is binary addition, is an abelian group under the operation this binary addition. Okay, it is the abelian group. Now, what type of example here we are going to see? Let us consider E. E here refers to the code. Okay, E is means what we have to do is z cube, we have to transform to z raised to 4. Okay, here what we have done is for 2 means sequence of 2 we have taken for z square. Okay, what this example is telling is what we have to do is we have to transform z cube to z raised to 4. Okay, for example, here we have seen z square, but suppose I have z cube here, then what I have to do is I have to transform this z cube to z raised to 4. Okay, means माझ्याकडे sequence आहे 3 चे. Okay, sequence of 3 is there, means combinations of 0 and 1 considering 3 places is there, and that I have to transform to 4 places. Okay, जिथे 3 चा sequence आहे तिथे मला 4 चा sequence करायचा आहे. Okay, and define E of x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1, x2, x3 and x4. 3 नंबर्सचे कॉम्बिनेशन आहेत माझ्याकडे, ते मला कशाचे काय बनवायचे? 4 नंबरचे कॉम्बिनेशन्स बनवायचे, x1, x2, x3, x4. ओके, इन दॅट केस x1, x2, x3 सेम राहणार आहेत. ओके, x1, x2, x3 आर सेम. x4 is going to change and there will be some criteria for x4. Okay, x1, x2, x3 will be same like this. E of x1, x2, x3 are there in this 4 combination code itself, x1, x2, x3, and x4 is the different one only, and that there will be special criteria for x4. Okay, what that criteria will be, we will see here. x4 is equal to 0. x4 will be 0 with respect to x is even. Okay, if this x1, x2, x3 make the even number, then this x4 will be 0. And if this x4 is 1 with respect to x is odd. If this x1, x2, x3 is odd number, it is forming an odd number, then this x4 will be 1. Okay, we'll see in this table that so that you will come to know. The code and redundant digit is given in the following table. Original code is what? In Z cube. Okay, in Z cube, it will be 8 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Okay, now what is here? We will see. What we have to consider is x1, x2, and x3 will be same here. In this also, code with redundant digit also, you can see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. First 3 digits are same. Okay, you can see in all the rows. Okay, now what x4 criteria is, if in x1, x2, x3 number of ones are odd, then x4 will be 1. If in x1, x2, x3 number of ones are even, then it will be 0. Okay, x4 is 0 or 1. It is what type of condition it is considering is if with respect to x is even. Here the criteria they have taken is if number of ones are odd in this number, then it will append x4 as 1. If number of ones as even in this code, then it will append 0 as x4. Okay, we will see here 0, 0, 0. Number of ones are there in this code. Are the number of ones there? Number of ones are not here in this number, that is 0, 0, 0. So it will append 0 to itself, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, then 0, 0, 1. Okay, in this code 0, 0, 1, number of ones is 1. 1 is the odd number. So means 1 is the odd number. Here we are considering x4 as 1, 0, 0, 1 as it is, and appending 1 to it. Okay, here now 0, 1, 0. Again in this code, number of ones are 1. 1 is again the odd number. So we will append 1 as x4. 0, 1, 0, 1 will be the code. Okay, group code. Then next here we can see 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1. In this, how many number of ones are there? 2. Okay, 2 number of ones are there. 2 is the even number. So what we have to do is append 0 as x4. So 0, 1, 1 as it is, and x4 is 0 because 2 number of ones are there and 2 is the even number. Now consider this one, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 is what? Number of ones are 1. 1 is the odd number. So x4 will be 1 here because only 1 exists here. So 1, 0, 0, 1. x4 will be 1 here. Now, next is 1, 0, 1. How many number of ones are there? 2 number of ones are there. This one and this one. As 2 number of ones are there, means we have to append 0 as x4. So 1, 0, 1 as it is, and x4 is 0 here. Okay. Then next is 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 is there. So if 2 ones are there, this one and this one. 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 0 as it is, and as 2 ones are there, again here we have to append 0 as the x4. Okay, and now the last one we will consider is 1, 1, 1. but it is 1 1 1. How many number of ones are there? Three number of ones are there. Okay, means 3 is the odd number. 3 is the odd number, and then as it is the odd number, we have to append 1 to this one, means x4 is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 1 1 will be written as 1 1 1. This is the transformation of group code. Okay, means it is the original code and code with redundant digit. Here we are taking up. Okay, this concept is morely there in computer networks. Okay, you may have data communication subject maybe next semester. There you will need, means there it is in that subject also. Okay, means in communication. Okay, sender and receiver, all those things will be there. In that case, these codes are used there. Okay, here it is given as group codes. Okay, these are the group codes, and these we have to transform from 3 sequence to 4 sequence. Means it is x1 x2 x3, and depending upon the condition x4 we have to add there, x1 x2 x3 x4. It is as example. Okay, example should be, means suppose z square is given and we have to take z raised to 5 or something like that. Means different conditions will be there, not only 3 and 4 will be there, many other examples may be there. Okay, it is the concept of group codes. Have you got the idea? Yes, have you got the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it completes our 7th unit. In next next session we will start with our 8th unit. Meanwhile, means if you have any doubts, ask me. Otherwise, I will give you assignment to solve, and we will end the meeting. Yes. Do you have any doubts regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so take a pen and paper with you. I will dictate you some examples to solve those example, and after ending the meeting, I will share with you the link to share your answer sheets. Okay, or whatever assignment you have solved. There you have to share your answer sheets. Okay, can I start to dictate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, show that set of all non-zero real numbers set of all non-zero real numbers is a group with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication. It is the first example that you have to solve. Take the next one. Uh, prove uniqueness of inverse. Prove uniqueness of inverse. Take the next one. Prove uniqueness of identity. Prove uniqueness of identity. Two questions are there, different questions are there, uniqueness of inverse and uniqueness of identity. Three questions are there. Take the fourth one. Prove that just a minute. Prove that set of all positive rational numbers, set of all positive rational numbers forms an abelian group show that the set of all positive rational numbers forms an abelian group under the composition A star B is equal to AB Okay, what you have to do is, operation given is simple, the multiplication. Okay, and multiplication operation is there, and you have to prove that positive rational numbers, instead of multiplication, take addition. Let's see what it is. What you have written, please, once again, someone read, please. One of you, please. Mihir, are you there? Mihir? Am I audible to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me what you have written as fourth question. I want to change something there. So I am.
Last question, ma'am.
Yes, last question.
Prove that set of all positive rational number for an abelian group under the composition.
Under the composition is A plus B.
Okay.
Under the composition A plus B means what you have to take is there A, B are the two numbers in that group. You have to perform the addition there. Okay. You have to check for addition, all the operation, all the properties for addition operation. Getting? And take the last one.
Ma'am, A plus B what?
Only A
Only-
plus B. A plus B is the operation where A, B belongs to G.
Okay, ma'am.
A and B are the numbers from group G or set, that is all positive rational numbers. Okay. And under the operation addition, where in many of examples we have considered multiplication operation. Okay. So for homework example, I have given you the addition operation. Okay. A plus B where A, B belongs to G. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the last one. Fifth question. Transform the code Z cube
Transform the
code Z cube to Z raised to 5 to Z raised to 5. Z raised to 5. In that case, what you will have to do is, I will tell you. See here. In the last example, what we have seen is, I'll share the screen again. So या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय केलंय आपण x4 पर्यंत ट्रान्सफॉर्म केले. ओके, x1 x2 x3 तसेच ठेवलेत सेम. आणि x4 फक्त काय कंडिशन आपण इथं कन्सिडर केली आहे, दिस वन मीन नंबर ऑफ वन्स कन्सिडर केले आणि त्यानुसार 0 आणि 1 अपेंड केले तिथे. ओके, सो इथं तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, x5 पर्यंत करायचंय. x1 x2 x3 ला x1 x2 x3 will be same, x4 and x5 will be there. What we have to transform is z cube to z raised to 5 here. The example we have taken is z raised to 4. You will have to do is z raised to 5. Which condition you will consider there? तुम्हाला 2 अपेंड करायचे. ओके, इथे कसा एक x4 आपण अपेंड केला, तसे तुम्हाला 2 अपेंड करायचे, x4 x5. Getting?
yes, ma'am.
What condition you will take is, take suppose this is otherwise you do one thing, transform z raised to 4 to z raised to 5. Change the question. Transform the code z raised to 4 to z raised to 5. In that case, what it will be? Here, original code will be having 4 sequences, 0, 0, 0, 0, and all those combinations of 4 sequences. 2 raised to 4 rows will be there. Okay, means 16 rows will be there, and there you have to append, take the same condition and append one more bit as x5. Okay, you will have x1, x2, x3, x4, and same in the redundant digit, it will have x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5 you have to append. Take the same condition here. Consider the number of ones in the original code, and according to that append the x5 here. Okay, if number of zeros, if number of ones are even in the original code, append 0, and if number of ones are even odd in the original code, append 1. कळतंय सगळ्यांना काय करायचंय?
Yes, ma'am.
z⁻⁴ साठी जो दिलेला आहे कोड तुम्हाला, त्याला z⁻⁵ ला कन्वर्ट करायचंय. गेटिंग? सो ज्या काही सगळ्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत त्या मी आताच तोंडी देते, परत ग्रुपवर लिहिणार नाही. ग्रुपवर फक्त मी लिंक शेअर करेन. आज संध्याकाळी 9 पर्यंत तुम्हाला तिथे तुमच्या असाइनमेंट हे जे 5 क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते सॉल्व्ह करून 9 पर्यंत तुम्ही अपलोड करू शकता. ओके, 9 ला मी लिंक क्लोज करेन. गेटिंग? आणि तीच जे कोणी 9 पर्यंत लिंकवर असाइनमेंट शेअर करणार आहे त्यांनाच फक्त अटेंडन्स त्यांची फक्त कन्सिडर केली जाईल. इथे चॅट मध्ये जरी तुम्ही दिली आहे ती अटेंडन्स आज मी कन्सिडर करणार नाही. आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू कन्सिडर दिस अटेंडन्स. यू हॅव टू सॉल्व दिस 5 क्वेश्चन्स असाइनमेंट और क्लास टेस्ट today only up to 9 p.m. and at 9 p.m. I will close the link. There you have to share your answer sheet before 9, and record of that means response to this link will be considered as your attendance for today's lecture. Okay, it should be okay. 5 questions that you have to solve. We'll share the link in another 10 minutes. Share your answer sheet on that link. Okay, up to 9 p.m. today only. So shall I end the meeting?